Alright, so this is the Amway filter, and we have three things. It's already connected. We have three things coming out of this faucet here. So we've got right there blue, green, and red. So the red one goes up here to the connection, and then check out my other videos where I explain how to connect this thing, and you need to buy this extra part and this part in order to connect it the very first time. But that's where it's connected to. The green goes to the back and the blue. So the blue and the green go here from the top. The red goes from the top, from the top to the T connection, and it goes from the wall. So this thing goes from the wall, it goes here, and then it splits. So from the wall the water goes here, some of it goes to this one, and the other part goes to that. So check out my other videos, how to connect it first time, and how, if it's beeping, how to fix it, and a few other things.